It's here.
Right, I'm going to bring the semen off to James.
It's here.
Have you done?
Go on, go. Go on, go.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Tom versus Dale.
Interesting now. What, mate?
Protected by Toad. Deinstalled. Hello, bird.
A bird, isn't it? Let's find out how bad it is.
Big. My door's not opening. Brakes. Oh, brakes work.
Brakes work. That's a start. I'm so happy right now. It's rotten. It's a Renault. Got a Dimma kit on it.
It's driving.
But we're driving on a private road. We made these noises all the way to Newport, didn't it? Does the indicator work? Indicator works.
Completely. Completed it, mate. 95 turbo build, completed it, mate.
It's red.
Yeah.
You said it was black.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a hammer.
Oh no.
Why have you got a...
That's
You're alright, mate.
Stand over there for a reason.
what off you've done.
Yo.
Oh, hi.
Day one.
Oh, it's reverse. It's very different for Dale and I because he is buying something, a lot of his budget, and why it was easier for me to go get a car, I knew that I was buying something that needed restoring, something to save. Dale's buying something that he's then going to modify. So he needs to spend more of his budget on getting as good a car as he possibly can. I knew I needed to get a car for as cheap as possible, knowing that the money I was going to spend to restore it. Now, there's probably better condition 5s kicking about that need restoring than this, but it doesn't have the story, the 90s story, the Dimma kit, the Dimma wheels. It doesn't have all of those cool stuff that make me want to save it.
Headlights work.
Well, clearly, I guess so. I don't know though. I didn't see whether it worked when I flashed it. Oh yeah, cheers, put some up, thanks. So yeah, I don't know what this is going to be. This is going to be the moment of truth. Obviously any Renault 5 I buy, standard stuff. They had a kit on them anyway, a arch kit and seal kit, where they're prone to going wrong, and they are. And this car is no exception, it's poorly. Yeah. But I bought it like that. I bought it at a good price that reflected that. let's see what today brings. So we're going to get her on the mount. We've got safety goggles.
Safety goggles for today. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Like the Thelma and Louise.
This could be the video where I cry.
We got this!
I've sent you all the images.
Yeah.
Turns out, that, no mind, if you need a list, so if it gets to repairing,
Yeah.
we know the map. If.
I haven't found anything yet. What is? I think what we'll do, it's not a very heavy car, is it?
No,
How much did you buy this for?
not a lot more.
If we put this up in the air and the wheels stay on the floor, we know we're in trouble. We're actually on them.
So verdict so far, broke. Oh.
Oh God, what do you get that light for?
Yeah. So the floor's not that bad. That's the box section there, look, so that's not gone up. It's
Well,
just
you sounded almost optimistic.
Why are you under it? That's brave.
That's fine.
Always got a hammer.
Oh no,
Why have you got a...
That's the car.
that's the carpet.
The fiberglass.
That's solid, mate.
That's all right. That's all sealed. That's all done.
Arches are alright.
Yeah.
Arches are all good, mate.
It's really just where it's been sitting, isn't it, on glass? It's just the bottom of it. And that's not bad in there. So it is really inner and outer sills. So absolutely shag. These front jacking points onto there.
Please don't do that.
You're alright, mate.
Stand over there for a reason.
What have we done? This isn't on here, Matthew. This is not on that jack.
That's okay. Because I think it's on the inside of it too.
It's on 3.
Yeah. I reckon RSD would MOT that and
No, no. Yeah, you're going to bring some sunshine into today, aren't you?
Yes, I'm bossy. Hi, bossy.
Hi, Roscoe. Hey, Roscoe. Are you sure you want me here helping? Are you ready for the next project?
Got some work for you on this, Dad.
How nice. What possessed you to buy it?
What's the verdict?
it's rusty.
Is it doable?
Yeah,
I suppose everything's doable.
everything's doable. I was going to say I've seen worse, but I haven't.
Is this the worst one?
Well, car, yeah.
Rossi, are you going to help?
Are you going to help, mate? Are you?
Rossi, are you going to help? Yeah, Rossi can help. Taking my car with me.